Hi everyone, I am Rachel Clark coming to you from Southern Illinois. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, thank you, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel and to click on the little bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And just a little bit about me. First of all, I am not a doctor. I do not have a medical degree. I am just very passionate about helping others find more natural ways to heal themselves. And that is because of what has happened in my life. For so many years, I struggled with different issues, and my life completely changed a little over 4 years ago, and now I am the healthiest and the happiest I have ever been, which is why I've pretty much now dedicated my life to being able to help others, because I know what it's like to struggle. I know what it's like to just have lost hope. So thank you for joining me and taking the time to watch this video. Today I want to talk to you about something that is helping so many people that are struggling with pain, anxiety, lack of sleep, stress, and the list goes on. And since you're watching this video, I'm guessing that many of you are at least familiar with CBD. And I know it can be so overwhelming because you have so many people out there saying, try this one, take this one, different things like that. And you kind of get to the point you're like, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do? And a little bit about my story is that I was researching CBD for actually my animals because my dogs have different issues and they have major anxiety. And I personally have gone through different companies because I was buying the CBD, I was trying it, and I'm a believer that nothing works overnight, but I just wasn't really noticing any major changes. So today I want to talk to you about a CBD patch that is helping so many people. But before I get into that, I want to ask you one question, and that is, do you know each one of us have an endocannabinoid system in our body? I know, if you're like me, for the longest time, I was like, no, what is that? Well, the endocannabinoid system that we all have is the master regulator of our body. It is helping our body maintain homeostasis. So it has all these different receptors. And the problem comes into play is that when all these receptors, if you have some of them that are not working and our endocannabinoid system becomes deficient. And when we have a deficient endocannabinoid system, that can lead to issues like fibromyalgia, irritable bowel, PTSD, painful menstrual cramps, and that's just to name a few. So the CBD helps to regulate, it helps our endocannabinoid system to function as it should, and so our body can be in homeostasis. So okay, you've probably maybe even tried taking CBD orally. Here's the thing, when you are taking CBD orally, 93% of that CBD is filtered out before it even reaches your bloodstream. So what I have been using and what has helped me and is helping so many others, it's a CBD patch, or square as we like to call it. And this is 24-hour time released. So all you do is you peel it and you stick it, and that's it. And you leave it there for 24 hours. At the end of that 24 hours, you can take that one off, put another one on. That simple. And because what I have been talking with people that have taken CBD orally that have switched over to these is a couple of the problems they've run into is, one, the taste is awful. And two, they found themselves having to take multiple doses throughout the day. And you don't have that issue with the CBD square because, like I said, you just peel it and stick it on and it's good for 24 hours. Now, a couple questions that we get asked. Where do I put it? Well, it kind of depends. If you have a specific area where you are having pain, you can put it there. If you're having knee pain, you can put it on top of your knee. If you're having shoulder pain, you can put it there. I like to wear them either like right in this area or higher up on my wrist, or the sweet spot to help with my anxiety is if I put it right here, like over my heart. And so really anywhere, you can place it pretty much anywhere. Another benefit is that you can actually cut these in half. So let's just say you have a little bit of head tension and you're having some knee pain. You can cut this in half and you can put one on the back of your neck and also one on above your knee. And another benefit is that if you are somebody that you are dealing with severe pain, you can use more than one of these squares at a time if you need it. There may be some days where it's a little bit more of a struggle and you feel like that you need a second square, and that's absolutely fine. So, you know, those are the benefits of being able to wear the square instead of taking it orally. And then another thing that we get asked is about skin irritation. Some people out there have really sensitive skin. I am one of those people. So another thing that you can do is you can buy some fractionated coconut oil, and you can find this at any health food store. And what I will do is I will just place a very little bit on the area where I'm going to put the patch and apply the patch. And the thing is, there's also, if you do have some skin irritation, there's some great essential oils like frankincense that's really good to help with that. And here's the thing, most people that have had any type of skin irritation, they're like, I don't care because I am finding so much relief. And so a couple of ways that the patches have helped me. One, my anxiety. I've shared in other videos that I've posted on my channel about my issues with anxiety and being on a medication that the side effects were horrible, and then coming off that medication was one of the worst things that I have ever been through. And so I am so thankful for the CBD square, and it has helped me so much. I feel a sense of calm that I have never felt before, a sense of peace, just happy, less stressed. I said, I'm just feeling ways that I never thought that I would ever feel. And especially, I've also shared before my struggles with depression that I've dealt with ever since I was pretty young. So the benefits, you know, that I am receiving have been absolutely amazing. Also sleep, oh my gosh, I was the type of person that I would go to sleep, I'd sleep for a couple hours, wake up, look at the time, okay, if I fall asleep now, I can get 2 hours, and so on and so forth. And now my sleep is so much better, the quality of sleep, I wake up, I am rested, I have more energy. Other people are saying the same things, and they're having more energy. And then also too, something that many of us have noticed is that we, you know, our cravings are less, and we're just not eating as much. So it has helped some people drop a couple pounds. So the benefits have been absolutely amazing, and I don't go a day without my square, either does my husband. And it is important that when you are switching it out every 24 hours to put it in a different spot, because our skin does need to breathe. So I hope that you have found this information valuable. If you have any questions, you can email me directly at liveyourlifebacknaturally@gmail.com. I will also drop this information in the comments section, and I am happy to answer your questions and get you any other information you're needing. So like I said, this has been a game changer for so many people, helping people really change their lives, because when you feel better, life is just better overall. And when you can deal with stress better, and you're not having the anxiety and different things like that, life just is so much better. And as I said before, I don't have a medical degree. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a person that has had my life changed and is on a mission to help others. So please reach out to me with any questions. I will be happy to help you. And again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.